I am Dr. Jay Zute, a medical practitioner for more than 3 decades. I have served in US, Canada, Denmark and India, and now I am settled in the US. I am a senior drug safety physician and a senior medical advisor, and have worked for pharma companies and helped them in clinical trials, and these are the world renowned pharma companies like Sanofi, Johnson & Johnson. I am also advanced clinical SAS program. I have gathered vast expertise and experience while serving at many different prestigious positions, including the projects which were funded by World Bank. And with all this gathered experience, now I would be leading you all to many life-changing programs. Being a seasoned life coach, I have created many health and peace related online courses, and I also do have my health supplements under my brands Dr. Zute's and AK Herbal, and they have a wide range of perspective. I am offering all these online courses and health supplements at a very minimal possible cost so that many people can benefit from them. My aim is to reach out to at least 100,000 people in next 2 years and offer them health and peace. Many important major publications have taken notice of my work, and I have been featured in Daily News BBC, NBC, Daily Herald, Biospace, Star Tribune, etc. Most important thing is I could offer healthy state of body and mind to many people across the world through my medical practice and through my online courses and health supplements. My brand Dr. Zute offers love, care and peace. It has label of trust. It offers inevitable value to all my followers and customers. Join my brand Dr. Zute's by joining the online courses and taking health supplements. You will be yielding fantastic results for your health and peaceful life. My online courses have helped many, from teenagers to elderly, from ordinary person to the professionals. They are regarding how you can control chronic inflammatory diseases like diabetes, hypertension, atherosclerosis, addiction control, how to get proper sleep, weight loss, healthy diet, exercises, scientific ways of facial exercises, how you can control your aging process, leading a stress-free life even while doing multitasking, and on many such important topics. While many are benefiting already from these courses, now it can be your turn. Don't wait and get started today. My health supplements are all made in the US in FDA and GMP approved facility, and all organic supplements are USDA and ICS certified organics. You just need to put your 15 to 30 minutes of time every day for your health, but this investment of time in yourself will yield you in multiple folds. Health is the most important asset. If you are healthy, you can earn more and also enjoy your wealth. But if you are unhealthy, you know how it would be. Join my online courses on health and peace topics and get the health supplements which are effective and safe under my brand Dr. Zute's, and help yourself. It is never too late.